How to Spend 5 Days in South Africa, Luxury and Adventure Edition. South Africa is one of the most underrated luxury destinations on Earth. Here's how to spend 5 unforgettable days. Day 1. Arrival in Cape Town. Check into the Silo Hotel or Ellerman House. Explore the V&A waterfront, then take a sunset cable car up Table Mountain. End with fine dining at La Colombe. Day 2. Wine Country. Private car to Stellenbosch or Franschhoek. Sip rare wines in the vineyards, enjoy a 5-course lunch with mountain views, and return for a spa night in Cape Town. Day 3. Road trip to Paradise Drive along the Garden Route. Cliffs, beaches, and endless views. Stay at a luxury lodge near Knysna or Tsitsikamma. Dinner with ocean breeze. Day 4. Private safari experience, fly to Kruger National Park or Sabi Sands. Stay in a luxury safari lodge like Singita or Londolozi. Morning and sunset game drives, champagne by the fire, and maybe spot the Big Five. Day 5. One last wild morning, final game drive at sunrise. Breakfast with a view. Then head back, with your camera full and your soul changed. South Africa has everything: city life, wilderness, wine, and wonder. Would you do this 5-day journey? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe our channel for more elite travel itineraries.